Hey everyone, it's Kevin Hodge, the credit litigator at creditcentralized.com. In this video, I want to discuss how to unlock the credit bureaus. Now before we get into this, I need you to do me a big favor. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and hit the notification bell so you can get videos just like this once they're released. Now, to understand how to unlock the credit bureaus is to understand two things. Number one, you have a credit report. Number two, you have a credit file. Now, under Section 12 of the Consumer Reporting Act says that a consumer has the right to disclosure. What that means is that you have the right to the information inside your credit file. It also says that a credit bureau must maintain information about you in the credit file. And it also says they must use the best evidence possible. The Consumer Reporting Act also says that a credit bureau must not report any information that is not capable of being produced under Section 12. I hope this video was informative and it provided you some direction when you're disputing the accuracy or completeness of your credit file and credit report. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below so that the community watching can benefit from any response. Was this video helpful? Leave your answer in the comment section below. And if you need any assistance disputing any negative information on your credit report, feel free to reach out to me by clicking the links down below. Now before you go, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button on this video, as well as the notification bell so you get videos just like this once they're released. It's Kevin Hodge, the credit litigator at creditcentralized.com. Thanks for watching.